welcome to the channel. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Today, we're going to talk about what is overseas travel insurance. Many people make going abroad a bucket list that they need to fulfill. Indeed, going abroad has its own vibes. However, there are many risks that we must bear to be able to make this trip. We never know when there will be a disaster that we will experience. That's why it's important to always anticipate everything that might happen. One way to anticipate this is to use insurance. Travel insurance abroad is something that many people may rarely hear, but something very important. What is overseas travel insurance? From having this insurance, you can get more complete protection when you go abroad. Even the inconvenience of travel, accidents, and illness can also be covered. Accidents covered by this insurance are medical expenses due to illness, cash payment without hospitalizations, compassionate visits, and child protection. However, there are some things that will not be covered, such as suicide, condition that exist before having insurance, losses due to war, medical examinations, condition due to pregnancy, childbirth, treatment due to pregnancy, abortion, miscarriage, venereal disease, and revolutions. The inconvenience in question is compensation for delayed and lost baggage, trip cancellations, flight delays, lost documents and passports, fees for replacing tickets due to late flights, piracy, emergency travel expenses, and others. Sickness and accidents that will be covered are media costs due to accidents and illness, compassionate visits, babysitting, and emergency medical evacuations. The exceptions to the benefits are all of the ones already mentioned above. The importance of having overseas travel insurance. Having this insurance is mandatory for tourists in some countries. Tourists will not be able to enter the country if they do not have insurance. It is highly recommended to have insurance to a country that already has the unit. You can apply for the insurance through such an application or directly through the website to simplify the registration process. Overseas travel insurance benefits. Number 1. Compensation for lost baggage. If the customer loses his baggage or there is damage to his baggage due to the fault of the airline, the insurance company will provide compensations in accordance with the agreement on the policy. Number 2. Compensation for lost passport. Insurance will provide compensation to customers who have lost their passports due to theft or other unintentional things. Making a new passport will also be assisted. 3. Flight delay compensation. Flight delays are flights that are on or cancelled by the airline because it can cause losses such as hotels that have been previously booked. If you have travel insurance, then you will get cash compensation. 4. Emergency travel expenses. If the customer has to suddenly return to his place or origin even though he is traveling, the cost of the return trip will be borne by the insurance. Number 5. Medical expenses. Many insurance policies will cover the cost of coverage when medical treatment is performed. For example, the cost of hospitalization and treatment due to illness while traveling. Number 6. Medical evacuations costs. If you have to go to the nearest hospital for treatment, the insurance company will take care of your needs immediately. 7. Death and disability benefits. If the insured party has a risk of death or disability due to an accident, the insured's family will receive compensation funds. 8. Riot compensation. If we have gone to an area where certainly cannot know what will happen and there is a possibility that riot can occur in that place, so that if that happens, the risk of loss that you will will be borne by the insurance company. 9. Legal fees. You will still earn the risk of lawsuits when you go abroad. So, if you accidentally injure or damage someone else's property, the insurance company will reimburse you for the damage. 10. Additional coverage. In it, there are some things that are not covered by insurance companies, but you can increase the benefits if you want to increase the premium. There are several things that can be used as additional battles, such as extreme sports, pre existing illness, and insurance, and war prone risks.